if you've come to this point where you're like, wow, is this all there is? Right? I've done X, I've done Y, I've achieved all of the things that I set out to achieve, and yet here I am, and I'm still not fulfilled or satisfied. That can be a really jarring place to be. Now, where's the gap between how you always thought it would be and how it actually is? So it's like this ideal version of your life versus the actual version of your life. And the greater the gap, the greater the distress. All those things that are really, really very unpleasant to feel lives in that gap. And so what we do is we work to close the gap. And, is the gap ever entirely closed? Probably not. I think there's always a little bit of gap. And that's one of the things that keeps us striving for more and moving forward and growing. But we do want to try to close it. We do that one of two ways, and usually a combination of both. One is making this version of my life more like what I imagined it could be, working to make change in that direction, and also shifting this ideal version so that it's more in line with the reality of our life. And we call that acceptance. So it's some combination and balance between making the desired changes that you would like to see in your life and also realizing that you probably have more of that ideal life going on than you realize.